At this point, the tributes would want to find a steady source of food. However, not all the tributes would go about this the same way. There are currently 13 major groups. The alliance between Lady Tremaine, Princess Aurora, and King Stefan. The alliance between Moana, Princess Jasmine, and Belle. The alliance between King Fergus and Merida. And the remaining surviving tributes. I would like to make a note that Anna would likely be searching for a new alliance, and the alliance between Moana, Princess Jasmine, and Belle would both be the most visible and the most welcoming. Lady Tremaine, Princess Aurora, and King Stefan would likely gather food by King Stefan hunting and Princess Aurora foraging. However, there are a number of plants to avoid in the bayou. Princess Aurora may have a bit of an advantage because she can talk to animals, but I highly doubt the animals in the bayou would speak the same dialect that she is used to understanding. So the animals who know which plants are poisonous and which are not would be of no help to her. Therefore, I think she would pick poisonous plants, and when she shares them with Lady Tremaine and King Stefan, the three would die. I think a similar fate would befall Charlotte, although I am unsure whether this would come from plants or animals, since there are a number of animals to avoid in the bayou as well. Merida and King Fergus would both be excellent hunters, and both would know from training which plants to avoid, so they would likely have no trouble sustaining themselves. I doubt they would attempt to hide from other tributes, though, and they would simply just set up camp somewhere. Mulan, Namaari, and Tong would have similar stories. Mother Gothel and Pocahontas, while not hunters, would be able to sustain themselves with plants and protect themselves from hostile animals, and furthermore would attempt to hide. The alliance between Moana, Princess Jasmine, Princess Anna, and Belle would have sufficient information to survive off the land. Louis, this being his home environment, would have no trouble finding sustenance and a good hiding place. Shan Yu, being the sole occupant of the cornucopia, would have ample protection and supplies. I doubt Flynn Rider would look to the land for food. Rather, I think he would attempt to steal from Shan Yu. Although Shan Yu is skilled at counter-surveillance, he would likely not suspect anything, and Flynn Rider is an accomplished thief, so I think he would get away with stealing food from the cornucopia. The total deaths from day 2 are as follows: Lady Tremaine, Princess Aurora, King Stefan, and Charlotte. The remaining tributes are as follows: Belle, Princess Jasmine, Pocahontas, Mulan, Shan Yu, Louis, Mother Gothel, Flynn Rider, Princess Merida, King Fergus, Princess Anna, Moana, Namaari, and Tong. See you tomorrow.